say we might be home. Even though I like it, we know no place like home. No place like home. My body's tribal, we gon' bring the matter. Now they be on the camera. We wise up, we come together. We intentional for safe we country. Make we ginger it. Cause this thing with the brain line go down the country. Before they make me land, they pull it up, people them are angry and wondering, yeah. And just busy for the so bad seed for divide me. Oh no, yeah. It's not a tribal thing, this not bad politics for divide and win. People they suffer, see they no be seen. Just they pack with money left up on the tribal scene. Wise up, join the I4 sing, yeah. Tell me if the price na market, they go down where you show you last name. And the same stuff and no more, now we all the left for explain. Oh, if we not keep to all, we not promise them that manifesto. We not no need for the do them, see how we manifest. Man off up talk true, see them down space. Or them puts you in a tight place. Or you left a far place. Exile from your place. Hey, hey. You get different views, see them down space. Or them puts you in a tight place. Or you left a far place. Exile from your place, yeah. Even though we dey far away from home, we out and we might dey home. Even though I holla dey, you know no place like home. No place like home. The only place we go call we home. We not go leave am alone. My body's tribal, we go bring the money. Inna them wise up, come together to all this money. Many things where the eye don't see. Crimes against humanity. Una don't suffer people say we don't lose with sanity. Una yona by force, nothing una no gets right. Not to water, not to team for it, not to delight. If not the people and self una unite. Now they walk and now we neck, they una jump na the flight. No one will go fet for we right. Boku tax on the people, more burden. Everyday new thing, more problem. Waka fine, all the waka people fine. Corruption, the fighting don't count for state. We see it takes it to asylum makers, then they. We not the rich for make una fail. Cause that una they fail, and so we they pay. We wanna free the country on bail. While lights are line and we back to hell. Oh, if una keep to all, una promise them that manifesto. Una no need for the do them, see how they manifest. Man off up talk true, see them down space. Or them puts you in a tight place. Or you left a far place. Exile from your place. Hey, hey. You get different views, see them down space. Or them puts you in a tight place. Or you left a far place. Exile from your place, yeah. Even though we dey far away from home, we out and we might dey home. Even though I holla dey, you know no place like home. No place like home. The only place we go call we home. We not go leave am alone. My body's tribal, we go bring the money. Inna them wise up, come together to all this money. You know they pay attention. And myself don't begin make true confession. We are here and find lecture. How now remote control government we get. How they don't look for light there. They no see. And if light no there, nothing no go work. Well, we science don't come for this business now. Because me no say, if now we can't give money safe for them to use for fly. We don't get no benefit to this country. Then get ourselves and pay that shit now. Light will come. This is not a rocket science. The country don't left now. Nobody know for talk. You say oh Abu now for tomorrow. And they can kill them with push. Civic rights for protest. Safe they don't take now we army. When you take up for the right thing, then send them police and soldier by you. I get okay. Because when you push people into the wall, if you expect them for bounce back. The credibility of the elections and the legitimacy of this government, look at it on now. But all day, una dey plan how for rule this country. Tell now. work out no benefits for the people. But one thing wanna always they forget, that the God factor and the will of the people. Salon people will not lose hope. Papa God is slow, but it's sure.
We are don't come back today for come top of things where they happen. Now we on sweet yard sun load. Now we own. Whoa, let we left for do them bad things them. We they feel a more sun load. Now we own. Whoa, we are. And if we ought you, we sorry. We no mean bad, we just want for make we had go before. If we hurt you, we sorry. We no mean bad, we just want for make we had go before. Fambul, Kushe, and Kabo. Well, I'm not going to ask you how they go. Plenty pauna been don't see one video where them record pre-day watchnet. That's the last day of Ramadan. Where for make them pray the next day when it be Wednesday. Well, that video day na be one BELEH woman where na one 37 years old woman where be they pan strong BELEH. Well, what happen when they end up for put on a HAMOCK? Wetin don't happen with the woman, and wetin don't happen with the pikin, as this thing happen around the Falaba district. We can't tell you about the sad news wey surround this particular event where they may record one early morning as the woman been finally make im way to the hospital 4:00 a.m. after we dem don waka long hours. So we can't tell you now waiting at the sad part of all of this thing where don't happen. Well, we ask one question from we thumbnail and we title. We ask say, waiting na the difference between politician and the voter. Do ya? Let we take little bits of una 10. Let una watch this picture where we use as we thumbnail. It's very simple and it gets one straight and clear message. Do ya? Una look at this picture where they na the screen right now. And tell me whose message where that picture they send to you. Whose message where that picture they send to you right now as you do watch them from any part in the world. I really go glad for you from una waiting una think about this picture. Waiting una think about this picture. This picture na one great picture we get millions of message. Una watch this side. Now the politicians then they. Yeah? And you look at this other side, now the voters then they. Divide them. Take all money and you pull them and then you left them. And tell me waiting na the message with this they send to you. Whose message? Do you wanna help me? Because I want we go into this tier better on this net. Better one this net. I want follow we go into this particular issue. Okay. The thing that come inside, Sulaiman Sankor say politicians looks better than the voters. Okay. That na your opinion, Sulaiman. Politicians are sucking the blood of the voters. Okay. This not an ordinary politician. This now we we say we president because anyhow we be now they represent the green, white, and blue, whether by hook or by crook. Please now forgive me for that, but that's just reality. We country money don't make in BELEH big. Okay, now you see one dry leg bunga, pan the two man them, the other one fiba amoiba. Okay, now you see. This other one say the voters are always suffering, politicians enjoying and suck the resources of voters. Alright? Okay? So it's very simple. It's very, very, very simple. And at this now the thing where we can see right now inside the country. Now, if we want to use one simple term again, we go say rain season and dry season. Rain season and dry season. Rain season get all the resources in the country, and dry season the starve. It deliberately the starve. This now we politician and we alleged president we not care about in voter. If you watch Mother Bio and in wife, then are rain season. Their body the all the roju, then fresh like rain season plus us. This man, I know Sabian, and the woman Bienam, I don't know if my wife, you will see how the poverty they speak na them face. And the one way get in season, the smile, the laugh, the one we get the porn in face. You dey find out say the smile they over this other side, and the other side, because of how the poverty don't arrest them, they're not even able for smile. Even when they meet with a personality like that, when they meet with person, where na him then teach they all supposed for them do for see how joy for them, but because of the kind of level of poverty, they're not even able for smile to this man we then say na the caretaker of we country. So now let me can go and look at the difference between them two people here in real life, and we use case study of things them we think the way that happen as a case study for actually describe these two things then what will they talk about. So now let me go to the rain season. Yeah, Madabio. When it is born in Pekin, now overseas it go born in Pekin. Whenever they want for take treatment, now overseas then they go take treatments. Lebanon. How many millions of dollars, billions of leons when they use? Lebanon. But in this other case, for the dry season, when the voter, when he want for take treatment, it deliberately, well, not in some cases, they're not even able for get the kind treatment where they need. Pass, then they go to Pepe doctor for lay they're able for get the basic treatment where they want as a voter. But the voter, the vote, well, then suppose for vote for people them where they can pull them pampo. But before we go inside them things then they better one. For lay we go able for see or hear waiting na the things them where we try for talk about in this program today. As we don't ask you for describe this picture for we already, we first of all begin for look at several things them. Several things them. I mean things them where don't they go on inside the country. But first, before we can look at waiting italic. Waiting italic. Then we go na parliament about 2-3 years ago. Waiting Madabio tell we about the health sector. Waiting Madabio say the health sector talek. This name I want for we can look at first before ever we begin for look at the different wahala them right now inside the country. So let me go quickly and listen to this one. Please, una patience listen to them because again it will tell you what in the rain season and dry season picture they talk about.
Health Mr. Speaker, honorable members, it is my firm belief that every person in Sierra Leone is owed access to quality and affordable health services, and this without undue financial hardship. This is a responsibility our government takes seriously. In line with our universal health coverage goals, we have developed a new national health sector strategy plan and a health financing strategy 2021-2025 that increased budgetary allocation for health and sanitation to 12%. And realign the leadership and structure of the health sector in order to maximize efficiency. We have restructured and are working towards making Sierra Leone social health insurance scheme operational. We have also promoted social dialogue with stakeholders in the health sector, provided health insurance for all health workers, regularized and strengthened the national drug distribution system, and expanded the free health service to school-going children, the elderly, and persons with disabilities. Around the world, technology is being used to drive health service delivery, improve healthcare outcomes, and empower patients, and we are not left behind in this regard. My government is actively taking advantage of technology and innovation to deliver inclusive health services and health information. With the support of the People's Republic of China, my government launched the Health on Wheels initiative that will provide a full spectrum of health services to underserved communities. Government has strengthened health management and information system data from which will be used to support informed strategic decision-making, program development, and case evaluation and management. We have also adopted a hub and spokes approach to restructuring healthcare service delivery so that there is a health facility within a 5-mile radius of every Sierra Leonean in this country. My government has also strengthened disease surveillance and emergency systems. The Directorate has been embedded in NACOVA throughout COVID-19 pandemic. We have also operationalized an effective network of ambulances right across all district hospitals in the country. We have not just constructed health facilities across the country, we are equipping them with diagnostic laboratories, sufficient beds, and other equipment. We have secured oxygen generation plants in Bo and Kenema. In addition, my government has allocated over 75 billion euros to refurbishing, improving, or rebuilding health infrastructure across the country. For the first time, Mr. Speaker, honorable members, for the first time in 10 years, Makeni Government Hospital, the block of government, and other regional hospitals in the country will be renovated and made cheaper. Have been constructed and open to the public. Partners have also completed a number of health facilities across the country. The private sector and non-governmental organizations have also invested in the health sector. The interventions have or will increase bed capacity and provide advanced diagnostic services. With the expansion and upgrading of health infrastructure, We have trained and hired more nurses, doctors, midwives, pharmacists, lab technicians, and community health workers than ever before. We have also reduced compensation packages for all classes of health staff. It is heartening to see that as a consequence of these far-reaching investments, maternal and child mortality rates have been considerably lowered. We have also reduced malaria-related deaths by over 47%, lowered the disease burden for other common illnesses, and the number of people living with HIV who receive life-saving treatment has doubled. I am particularly pleased, Mr. Speaker, honorable members, that our COVID-19 vaccination rates are higher than the average for African countries.
All right, so that's now be Madabio, and this statement now be 2021. So now like 4 years from where this statement do can meet we na do. So now the question now, how far we don't go with the health facility, with the health, system inside the country. Before I begin for take one by one, let me go. Madabio say all things don't look okay for the health system. In fact, don't do but good things them. Baby, you get me?
Yeah, they get you now.
Yes, I say Madabio say all things okay for the health business. That's how we did.
Yes, everything get for okay for Madabio. Of course, Fambole Muna do, how we all they do. I hope say we all they do fine. Madabio, the health issue or the health business get for okay for na EU mods and EU circle because gets nothing where it is scratching it for when it comes to health issues. When in sick, in family members them sick, none know the way that it's in the country, not even in causing them. We in lack or we they very close to them. None know the way they take treatment at Connaught, none know the way they take treatment at Cottage, none know the way they take treatment at the various hospitals them. So sometimes when people they talk, we get for read them lips. We know Georgia or begin to argue. We for try for understand what they talk. Now, we always tell people them say when you try for listen when we politicians and they talk, you they know waiting, then they try for talk about and they know side and they drive, then talk them too. Yeah. So for me, by the way, if Madabio said the health system of the country okay, he not say that one day because the people of Sierra Leone, when the sufferers them, they enjoy health facilities. It talking because everything okay for them. He get the money right now, the taxpayers' money, where they put in hand power for spend per in family member or for spend to people that we in feel say they very close to them for go take medical attention. Now different countries them now the world. So the word where Madabio they talk come indirectly for provoke we the citizens them. For say care, but people who they lost their life because of common operations them, because of people who they go born, light, people who they under oxygen, lights go off, then die, care. It just care but people there. So they try for talk about we don't taxpayer money where they enjoy right now for take himself and in family members them, not different hospitals them for secure their life when it comes to medical or for enjoy medical facilities. So if Madabio talk that word, make we try for understand. Now provoke we for tell we say because the system then don't help for make it halakin at the country, but they're okay because when they're sick and in today, they're able to pay, take flights and go take treatment any side where they want for take them at the world.
Madabio inside this in statement 2021 tell we see them prioritize technology for the health sector. Well, we know, say, other countries like Ghana, like Kenya, where they use technology in the health sector, they even use technology for make them able for supply medicine them to area them where very, very difficult for them to car and bike go. But in our own case, we say we own technology and for past information. Okay? That's what Madabio saying. And something the way Madabio tell we again inside this, he say they actually don't get advanced all the districts in the country don't get advanced diagnostic facility. Hey, Papa Godfather help me know. The one at Connaught, the diagnostic center at Connaught, pass recently and try for fix them up back. Now, voila. All sign of the country, Mother Bio shamelessly, they tell me about them kind of things today. And it tell me again about how it's very, very difficult right now for woman and picking them die per born picking business. He said don't really reduce and then don't try for put things them in place. Okay, so from that 10 day where it don't talk that word to now, a lot of things then don't happen. First, let me check inside Freetown. Usai light business. Now because knowing all the way light and health system not they go together. So one thing now we'll talk about that health that hospital now Cooper where lights go and picking them in there per oxygen, lights go per them. Let me remind yourself of that video there.
Auntie, maybe not for this number. For this number. You get to call 076 75 75 48 81. Now I enter. Because if you blind me,
hospital get blackout. I never seen it here. Who outside use oxygen blackout. Blackout cottage hospital. So they begin them, they get them oxygen. Machine all day. Lights just all the KOMBRA just working now. All the KOMBRA what is very, very sad. I tell you.
No, he said not to go with the book here. You know, picking and you can let here when you do so, you can get to the next time. Then you not to go with the book here. Now the book here, very. There are no possible for the light go. Now the building all no light. Why you have to have for light? I mean, the light and not to the book here. Uncle, what's all the book here? Uncle, what's yes, go the book light for day. So what you make we do? What you make we do? You be not all cyber. What you make we do? I don't know that make you cry. So if you say you have book here, you will go.
All right, so this now cottage hospital it actually happened according to the commentary. You know, so picking and they in a very, very critical condition, very, very critical state. You know, then they battle for their life them and their lights go when and they're under oxygen right inside the city, Freetown. By the way, and like you said just now, indeed, this night speak out to the video where that picture we show, yeah, where we ask una about rain season and dry season. We ask una say, yeah, una tell we ba waiting una see pan this picture yeah, where we been shown na Gigi Snow. That picture usai the voter and the politician or the alleged president, you know, this picture here. Now you don't begin see why we come up with this picture. For show you the meaning them behind this picture. Mother Bio, if at all, it come, it fly in picking them for go overseas. Outside the care them go overseas, light not they go. When they reach with them, picking them, then they take very good care of them. As long as doctor don't see them. Very, very good care. Okay, if at all the thing very much crucial, it's very much urgent, then get the other hospital them. Where then they pay thousands of dollars them inside the country. Then they won't go to them picking them there, and then they go handle them. And you no need for pay because you just need for make one call. Me na mother be you. Or that me na Fatima me picking down anymore. Then the one can take an house. So you see, waiting the picture they speak, the poverty and the lack of attention from the politician to that of the voter them. Now in this will be the try for ask you inside the program today. By the way.
All of them things here where we always talk, and some of them videos they are, them photos they are, them audios they are, who they play now. We just the help for educate salon people and win already for learn from the bad things them where they go on at the country, and from the wicked things them way Madabio they do right now in the country. Madabio for anything way they do, they hide, they make sure for slap them now with face, but you they only pick them up if you're very smart enough for read on waiting they do. That's exactly how Madabio they rule the country. That's exactly how Madabio take with to start with. Madabio not take we as nothing. We, the taxpayers, we the voters of that country. As far as me concerned, Madabio don't take we as nobody. Now he make it they do anything way he want for do. So as still they come back from waiting at all. For make Madabio, they get a bold mind. They tell you about this same health issue. Now the same way Madabio tinap na parliament. They talk of light system, how we enjoy lights in the country, now the lights go off. It's still no shame if they continue that statement day after they go put generator on. It's still they continue for talk that one. That one they don't tell salon people them say Madabio now provoke they provoke.
What we don't pass 2023.
They do. He mean what they do, and he plan waiting they do. Reflect your mind on a video play you now recently with Strasser. They highlight or they analyze or they point at the things that we might be capable of doing. All of them videos there, we just play them for you for make you for pick up. When you listen to what Strasser say about Madabio and you see what they go on right now, where Madabio they do, that don't give the answer. But hey God, we find ourselves in a country. We are in today as Madabio talk so again. You see tomorrow morning, Madabio come out, say if they go talk something about health issue, you go see other Sierra Leoneans, they will not just understand themselves, or they understand, but then decide for be stupid for nothing. Then they go back, where you talk one nonsense word, then clap for at the couch machine tomorrow, where they begin to do this operation at this hospital. Then they don't say lie, they lie, but then still they clap for her. This is not the situation we find ourselves. So until let the word I always say, we value ourselves, we know say we important. Without we, then people they are not able to sit down and find more car. Just like we in the same Madabio tell you say, if they sit on a flight right and they go up and down, who say we expect and forget that money day? So if we value ourselves, say now we able to make Madabio and other persons sit on a flight, get good service in a flights, go up and down. Until we able to know we value before then people are able for value. But if not, we go still they continue for a then nonsense there where people can talk. Because Madabio, most of what they can talk about, it don't make no sense to Sierra Leoneans. It just they talk for make breeze come on and emote. It just they talk because the person they write them for on paper, I don't write I put it, they come and read them for it. He left them. So until we know we value me brother before then TRK for stop. If not, my continuation.
Alright, today we analyze this particular statement of Madabio in 2021. It go further and say, after I don't tell you about how we get advanced diagnostic center them now all the districts them in the country, it is same way so tell we say right now we get sufficient bed them now all the hospital them inside the country, sufficient bed them now all the hospital them inside the country. This now one of the hospital them inside one of the city them inside the country when Abo city. Now we get to now again for remember this particular video where we make rounds on the social media.
It's Abo government hospital. As now they see now Ward 6, Abo government hospital. KOMBRA the way they born newly. They begin them because of certain condition, complications that they come up. They bring the pikin them to neonates ward, and their conditions that they when they bring the pikin and neonates, the KOMBRA they not get side for the dog. As I see yonder, so now the KOMBRA they spread all over yonder. They're not inside for day. Outside they sleep. Young KOMBRA they just born. It's not done. They're not ideal. The condition not favorable at all. For allow them young KOMBRA for they don't have grown, say they take care of the picking them, then go. Really, we appreciate the doctors and the nurses. But this is not so ideal something this for both government hospitals. So please, governments, come to the aid of this hospital and then make sure try for doing what we're supposed to do. To make sure say this situation calm down, this situation will stop. I understand say this structure now ended the time for prepare. But when this will end, when they will complete this structure, for make sure say them KOMBRA they are the young KOMBRA they get a comfortable place for the dog. Instead of the kind they don't have one like this spread all over the place, ideal. Please, governments, about governments when I need to come to the aid of this hospital, this Ward 6 in particular. It really terrible for sick KOMBRA they don't have grown for the rest of the night, don't clean. Pathetic. So please, governments when I come to the aid, anybody will get this video, make a share so that you will see the condition within the hospital. This now the Ward 6 units all beside the picking of the door. In this. So we are now let me share this video so that it will go viral, yeah? Please.
Alright, you don't hear it for yourself and you don't see not all Bible, not all Sembepie come and fabricate, come and put things na ground for you for lay it look bad or lay italic for say we want for just paint the government in a very bad way. Well, you don't hear it, you don't see. But Mother Bio inside in statements na parliament say all the hospitals in the country get sufficient bed them. Well, we see another hospital again, outside and they put three picking them na bed. Mother Bio say we get sufficient bed. Well, maybe this again na do where the KOMBRA them they don't so new KOMBRA them where they just born them picking them. Sometimes now the bed this way they talk. Again, can you go to the picture? You see the difference between the politician and the voter, and all of them when they are well leadon are grown so. All of them when they are well leadon are grown so. Then are voters them where one way or the other don't vote back for Mother Bio. One way or the other don't feel say Mother Bio for able for change situation for them. One way or the other don't feel say life could be better because Mother Bio say the people they don't tire. They want a change for change and future and for end them suffering. But oh yeah, this not the end suffering. This not the sufficient bed where Mother Bio provide for people inside the country. Well, you don't see Mother Bio in picking self for places self. Now us and not really don't are grown. But KOMBRA them, people them wife them, people them mama them, where they just don't born and grown, be grown. And then they lead also left to una now for the sea and know what you they do. We just don't start to only for bringing things them to una by bread.
Today we not get Boku talk, me brother. This now like Ludo with the play. Kick and home, back and front. It just sound like now a revision, but a revision where they go with for put more word that will make sense to young people that we no agree for couple sense, but in the couple word. Now I tell you, just no say there is no way you defend Mother being family member na cannot. There is no way you defend Mother Bio instead picking them. Because I don't know if Mother Bio get picking. Most of the pictures that we always take with UMAN and step picking that they see. There is no way they see instead picking them na cannot. Not even talk of because at the measure cannot or church ram now the most biggest hospitals them what we get for now na Freetown. You know they ever offend them people in the na the side and they. And if they talk of fine bed na hospital, that side I know how we go this safe. Because if we go there, if we begin call for beds them na various hospitals them, it go feeble leg. Then say how we they even beds them when they go put na trash when a dust bill. You no go see that kind bed na them hospitals them they. Some of their hospitals them they na just lapa and they take cover. If they open that lapa, you see that bed with that patient they lay down. You go cry for the patient. You go cry for the country. You they even cry and ask why are they pay tax. and how them people are they use with tax. So all of them were just like what's in our Ludo with the play kick on back and front. We they try for add value. So we people them, those that are ready to add value to themselves. But if Salon, this word if we not try for no say, we they make them. We go continue for cry. This problem not is solved. But there is no way, as I say, you did ever see Mother Bio in poppy self. Now the hospitals they are call for you. But yet still, it will come and brag, but good health system, medical this, medical that, now provocation. So no way, if we not try for see, now if we not try for the brother, arrest me case.
Okay, the program we do watch right now we are on YouTube and on Facebook. The internet, the line no actually send notification for plenty people them way for actually hear or know waiting they happen. So waiting happen, we encourage you for actually like and share the program. Before we go to another thing and update on our waiting na this latest, we as well want for tell now say fire business don't the boku, fire don't the boku. Serious one inside the country. Well, from accident to kush, from kush to fire. Hey, we now go back to the picture. The politicians them know waiting and they after, and then the voters them they suffer. If not from accident, you go hear them tell you about kush. If not to kush, then they tell you about fire. Well, fire way up on Tonkolili district. This on the 8th of this month make 2 women them and 2 picking them end up for lost their life. Now the fire them burn down to ashes inside the fire. Same way so we are able to one other chief where himself be lost in life. Now the north again, I think Tonkoli Falaba or Kabbalah, please I will correct Sunday, where himself born again. And another chief again. Yes, and recently again now the south we see Usai fire catch at the village. Boku host them be the Bonde. And today, as we talk sober, inside Okel, we see Usai fire again. Catch where the people and they cry for sake of the electric cable and people they host them where done the bond. So this now the latest things again. From Kush now na fire. From accident to Kush. From Kush now na fire. Fire don't boko. People wanna be very careful. Wanna please be very careful because fire accidents don't really boku. Yeah, some of them things that we're not going for show now because of the graphical, the 2G graphics. Some people are not able, and we because of community guidelines, we're not going for play some of them things and they. But the recent one where we hear now from. Okay. Big fire now okay. Big fire may they catch na that part day inside the country today, and we see inside Tonkolili again. People they lost their lives them again as a result of fire. Big fire, and again we see different side them where then things actually happen. We see another side again where fire again. When the Koinadugu, yes, like Koinadugu, yeah. The chief again, the local chief inside Koinadugu, himself be left by fire and infirm. Usai, he himself born down. Yeah, he left inside it. And one village again, inside the south, yeah, then himself will get sober wahala day with regards fire business as the village, been the born. Then village be the born with plenty people them. They cry as the village, they burn the farm, they burn the host them, burn the different things them where they happen around, where they don't try for invest on. So these are the latest situation with regards fire. By the way, you get any suspicion? Alright, you still watch we are on YouTube and on Facebook. And you will not like the program yet, please consider for like and share them because a lot of people actually know get notification today. And please, 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 not forget for subscribe to the program if you don't subscribe yet. Alright, and by the way, they get some small issue with regards in line. So when they go back to Marabio, this in speech where he make. Inside Marabio in speech where he make, he say, then they make sure say, every 5 miles where person they travel or where they work every 5 miles, he go get every 5 miles, yes, he go then go meet health facility there. The same way so say all of the districts right now get ambulance facility now all of the districts them. So as a result of that, let me go and watch what happen Prede Watchnet. Prede Watchnet inside Falaba. Now we go quickly and watch what happen and then we will give you now waiting at the latest news with regards to this woman.
Yes, so this Nigeria Moria, na a pregnancy woman now carry so we can go Nigeria because of lack of medical center. Now the strain, a BELEH woman now would work out so. From here to Iraya would work out by foot. We don't get no ambulance where they come for them. Now pass work out for good day. Health center no day. We don't even get secure policy with a medical. With the help in this store. So they let the government see, look at the majority where they work at this night. Today, na inside Mora, are they so? Na the kind of way they happen inside Mora na this so. Na BELEH woman I would travel it so. By this 1 o'clock at night, wait man for be Prede, and today we dey inside this kind pain and agony. We are with the beg on behalf of the government and other humanitarian bodies. Let us see to the strain and the pain what them family they take. And the BELEH woman and the go so. Look at the people them where they go there for go left Nigeria for the health center. Do you allow us see to this pain?
Alright, so this actually be inside Kabbalah. Yeah, they're not able to verify this video na Kabbalah and it be Prede Watchnet that na Falaba district, yeah. So after this post here, when a Freetown story, they confirm this news, and then say after we then check with the colleague na Kabbalah, we then check with senior health officer na Kabbalah government hospital. The officer be able to confirm say yes, 137-year-old woman where then care go na the hospital Wednesday, the 10th of April 2024, around 4 a.m. in the morning, as they be referred to them through one peripheral health unit, where they can say PHU. Usai reach na the hospital, then put them inside HAMOCK. So they say this woman also be reached na the hospital, it be left na a house. Usai then be actually attempt for they go able for deliver the pikin na the house. But it will end up for reach na the hospital with boku complication. And as a result of that, few hours after where they actually reach na the hospital, this woman also be reached in a very critical condition, and at the end of the day where they find out say in Pekin, you know, not be able for all in Pekin. So in other words, a loss in Pekin. But the woman in they say it is a very, very stable condition. In other words, it look okay. Say then go discharge them, then go observe them as well. So the person them the people where they confirm this all. All right, let me read this quickly in English. They said the person I spoke to confirmed that they almost always have similar cases. That is to say, the person where they talk to at the hospital say they can get a similar case there. So this not only first case where they don't get now that place there, they can get a similar case there. So outside they can count women them from different side them, from far side them for Canada hospital, and plenty time they can knock out complication because the area outside and they sometimes they not can get medical personnel for help them, so they can not attempt first. Inside the UMAN BELEH, they attempt for let them able for make a month, but they not able, and they can rush go to an hospital outside can end up forget complication and maybe loss in Peking. So this writer say now in 2024 we are still having issue with providing ambulance services. Well, this not the writer, yeah. He said we are still having issue with providing ambulance services. I am sure not only in Falaba but other parts of the country. I shared my experience of how I saw people using Okada in Mashaka in Freetown. I have seen the same with emergency. So this now in relation to what Marabio they say. Marabio they say ambulance and they now all over the country, and within 5 miles radius you get health facility or hospital, or in this case 2024 like this where they get serious case like that there. It continues for say, but our leaders, the ruling and political class, flaunt new SUVs every year, and we don't see anything wrong with that in a society where the citizens are still struggling to access basic health service. So in other words, they say every year from the health command, the health minister, all the minister, the government official, and they change new jeep them, SUV them. And they not say anything wrong in that. In a society, the people they really struggle for get access to basic health service. And as recent as 2 weeks ago, we suicide the caretaker, Mother BSSF, in Pulnado, one Benz, yeah. We they say Maiba, one Benz where a Pulnado, yeah. Recent one of $345,000. But yet still, the people in the strain forget themselves. They say we do better. We can do better. We should do better. And there is nothing wrong with demanding more from our government. That's part of the social contract we have with them as our elected official. Say yes, we're able to do better, and we're supposed to do better, and nothing no wrong. For let we the people let we demand more from the government, because now part of what they tell we say they will do, and that we sign with them, we give them that particular power, or when they thief the election now we earn. Yeah, they say if our leaders don't struggle to access healthcare service in the country or can easily fly out, we the citizens shouldn't have to struggle either. So if the leader them no they not themselves, if themselves they struggle like when they know they fly out of the country and tell they want to eat, well, we the people themselves will not be supposed for them to suffer there. But because then they fly, they know they struggle, so that is why we they struggle for them. And say if the last part of him say at President Bio Itagan, he says should ensure that those compatriots in Falaba like others in many other places don't trek miles to access basic health care. So he say Marabio, yeah, for make sure say he make with people with fellow citizens them na Falaba and other parts na the country no work a long miles before ever they get access to basic health facility. This is from Freetown Post by BELEH.
Family members them, una don't hear waiting they go on, una don't they see, una hear now una go be the judge of all of them things there where they happen. You know, all of this they tell you say this man called Bio no mean good for this country. Excuse me. This they tell you say Mother Bio gets good plan for nobody now the country, because all of them other than they affect now the voters. Rather than they affect now una will be the dance program yesterday. And when they happen, you know they be like Udana APC now in the dinner this side, Udana SLPP, they did the better side. When all of them things they happen, it affect the least Sierra Leonean where they fall into that particular problem day. It affect everybody. You a cause for Mother Bio yesterday. You a cause for APC yesterday. Now we all this they affect. The question now, where me by BELEH gets, waiting we for do as a nation, we go stop all of them things they are. Wetin we go do as a nation where they able make we gain all of them facilities they are where they lost today. Wetin we dey do as a nation we go make we able sit down, you person sick, you think say I get a better hospital for go with am. But if we think say mother you and this is squad ready for change, all of them tell how they read for you so, and all of them think say how they talk so. Now you lie you. Now me and you now need for sidom. We think waiting we need for do as a nation where they change the system.
All right, you still listen or the watch we had on YouTube and on Facebook. And we actually, they go on with some and interesting thing they happen. Some people, good salon people, don't they put medicine together in order to tin them together for make sure say they can't go na Kabbalah, you know, and then we just put the medicine together. There will not be no see them things that they happen themselves. So when they see this video, they don't say, okay, at least God don't direct them for letting them go the medicine at the right side. So then they plan now for do them kind of things and that's when they talk so right now. But again, this is the situation we face with right now inside the country, whereas we get people we not care about the people, rather than care about how they for run or drive luxurious motorcar them. They find the latest motorcar the way they come out and then for make sure say the driver and then travel with the recent private jets them where then go able for rent on behalf of from we own taxpayer and couple them, but when the people need them for help them, no way when they came for do them thing and they. So you still watch we are on YouTube and on Facebook, and it's about time for we can get few minutes from Muna because we're not today again. Few minutes for now talk to Muna and know what in yourself think about this particular issue we get for do with the all of them things here so where we don't pull na do today. Starting from this picture where we first begin with where we tell Una about how Madabio and in team. How we see the politician them. And I'm not sure say the politicians them the turn in season, the voter and the turn dry season. And I'm not sure say we do anything wrong. I'm not sure say we do anything wrong by way how we bring them things that come up to now. Because one thing we are like and Fatima tell we clear one say he say we as salon people them we for the demand because this time them for less selfishness. So nothing wrong if we ask people them and talk the right thing them as long as that the hard fact. At the end of the day, we just say, okay, no problem. We want to know we're sorry.
When we don't pass 2023, we now need to make sure, say, we do the right thing for the people of this country. Yes. We do what the people are asking us to do. Yes. We focus. We now live on with selfishness then. Then when they were there within the party, where they feel say, it only get to be them. We get to tell them, say, no, please. You enjoy your time. It's your time to move. And the young generation, now your job for make sure, say, when you call big man out, not me say you disrespect her. Now that make people say Fatima not respectful. No, for tell big man true, not a bad thing. For tell big woman true, not a bad thing. You they tell the way you don't not to say assalamu alaikum, sorry, or forgive me. But you go don't hear what you say. Now we make sure, say, we do what is right for this country.
Yes, and that's exactly we say we don't take on, we say for do. Say we will continue for talk the truth and we will say the right thing. I like how we had, we will continue for talk like you told me now, say, we're not for talk we disrespectful. Once we don't talk, you don't hear we don't mind for say, if we hurt you, we sorry. We know
we just want to make we had go before.
So now that's exactly then Fatima tell me so. And now that we don't begin do before even they tell me that they tell you the truth and then we tell you say we sorry. Even with family members themselves can tell them the truth and then we say we sorry. And we say but people can tell we the truth. And well, we don't know can tell we sorry, but they can tell we the truth in our face. Now we no more can say sorry. But anyway, I think I lie.
The other two, of course.
Then we can hear all of them things about they know they tell me sorry now. We know more they say sorry.
All right, family members. Then before we can go now the phone line, we just want for still they tell una about the goodness we all don't put we hand together for do to we people them make not feel say because fast don't the problem don't solve well. So man self now only pretty able get find food for it, you know. So I think say the more we for able do good to people themselves now way they don't pray so because some man in an occasion food he gets just after the occasion. If you ask some man self today you eat, you get food, you go tell you, say, no. So the platform still open, sister, admin, the receiver, whatever you get, because we be really, really want to make we reach this number we now the 100 bags of rice. If we be able to reach that number day before we start this donation, if we're fine. But we've been decided for start for give the donation to people then because we not go say we wait for get all of this rice before ever we give with people. So still, if you want for do as usual, the platform open for you for make you able for reach sister admin. We pray for more doors than for open, for make we all able for rob and inside this goodness we all don't start forgive we people them. So far so good. That's not the updates. Anything when they come up, we bring them now for make yourself know. Waiting they go on this donation matter. And not forget to Batunga again. We know what he can do. That small thing we can give forgive people. If still you say one for continue that one day for the give small thing, for the give people like how can do and give light questions them, give them small thing. The platform still open for you. You can still do them. No say we are na KOMBRA family house. Thank you in advance. And not forget for hit the like button for we if you not do the one day it. And as always, I tell you, you don't do a great job, a very, very great job. You share until what? We celebrate the silver medal inside this family house. But they see right now, family members them they still for share the program because if you share, we didn't know how other new family members they can't inside. Not feel say the silver medal as I tell you enough now. We know how silver and gold did at the market. Waiting, gold get weight at the market than silver. What I mean, gold, they buy boku money for silver. So now we think say we for continue this good work, you, especially you and you and you, we make today with the proud forget this number with this at the screen. You get for do more double work than waiting if you do forget the silver medal. Continue for share this program. Continue for call new family members them. Let for explain. I always say we explain what we are they do, what we are stand for. If you not add, you they reduce. So for avoid that one day, you just get for continue for share this program. Share. So we get more new family members them. We will make we able church we and again for the second time the biggest medal we not a gold medal. We really wonder one day. One thing about life, where you afraid, where you they go up. Not allow you for candle. Just try for go until you touch the sky before ever say, yeah, the journey will be take. I really don't reach. Patrol not find where you begin for go. You reach, certain destination, the patrol stop, you not jam awas again, you turn back. No, when you go patrol, try by all means you reach. Anyhow it be now, where you don't reach, say I don't reach me patrol. So family members them they can't go on the phone line as when I always know when I get to my own time, we una self they come and talk inside the program. But respect the rules, please. Before you they pick your call, reduce the volume of your sets.
Okay. Yeah, good evening. Go ahead, you get the platform.
Yeah, I think last week Friday, a call for report say the government of the supply the hospital then also. Hello?
Yeah, we get you. Go ahead.
Today, then goods supply for the hospital have been getting report. Me not a health reporter, but me I would give an update within the hospitals and within this country. Yeah. First of all, then go 2 truck of drugs today. We me as possibly do small thing about health. I don't think say if it will serve for another 2 months. Then go for first quarter first 2 truck for each hospital then and for road. First of all, like what you want to talk so the danger we pile about MPHs and it should not that you no go tell unless you come out at the province of Waka, and you gonna say danger day. The ambulance all way them in distribute, so all no wreck, no maintenance, no follow up. Me I tell you for free. The hospital, we say a day, the ambulance will then donate the over 3 months, you don't get tires, you don't get battery. Now jog they jog them, we then say push and they push them before you start. I'm saying the fact.
Inside Freetown.
Inside Toyao, not to the province.
Right inside Freetown. Why?
Inside Freetown, I tell you so. If the one then they will the hospital lay, we are the doctors. So yes, then we say yes, it is correct. Let me tell you, this government already, we say Anesma Goma will left with free health. If we can continue, then it will look better. As I tell you so, when they say hey, they're not improving health workers and insurance and this and that, it is fake. Now real fake. Salary now below $50. We nurse. We then call state enrolled community health nurse, which is about 1 million some hundred, and SRN we know about 2 million some hundred. Tell me, nobody know the way it costs $100. Only the higher kids there, even fuel for metros and other senior staffs there, they don't care. Hey, let me tell you, this country, I don't know how they go. Trust me, I don't know if I backward they go, neither will suspend. Or like how the Imam say, let the country be static. Let me have the after the comment say, now give me time. Hey, you know, if he did our hospital the whole of the day, he did she cry before you, like you and say, it's very, very emotional. If he map all doing that cottage, you see how people are strained, he run tears. Trust me. Bye bye. Thank you. God bless you all.
Alright, God bless you too. Oh, I miss him. Okay, there. Batonga.
Yes, sir. This is Batonga. They call from Freetown.
Yes,
that me what I will call. I see this tier where it disturbed me for the past week. Where Mr. Bingo help somebody within a where that woman they offer no inside cottage hospital. So the point that there are 4 women then at the same room, they cry in pain. Some of them they bleed. Then I realized say no help no they help not in a so how the people them if I go tell them say these governments don't get money from World Bank for take care of all them BELEH woman place them, their maternity all them. When I not go believe. I want more to take on a pen and paper. More to write this project number down. When I Google this project number, make una see how this government's wicked. Not so seeing how they make up why they talk on this platform, I can always get me proof. So there when I take una paper there, or when I open Google, when I type P as in Peter 172 102. P as in Paul 172 102. When I go see say World Bank, they give this government here 2021 $60 million. 60 million. This not alone, this are grants they give to the government. When I see how they don't begin spend up. Feasibility study alone, they spend $1 million just for feasibility. Outside of they forgot put like the medical waste. Just the medical waste. No, not be anything, no. This now for just make they go look no more. So okay, well maybe we go put in a coupe. They spend $1 million out of that. And if when I go through this project here, I will read the number again. Now, P as in Peter, 172 102. When I go see, say, all them people are already they hire as consultants, they're all there now overseas. Departments and Ministry of Health in this country now. So they want to say, no, not able to find anybody, specialists inside the department and ministry for me, they go say, when I go look who's away, bio waste, medical waste. When I get to go pay people that are overseas, then Ghana, then Rwanda. When I look, me people, when I look, no more, it's not what they make up. When I go see for myself, $60 million this government will take up. But now we now the same people them we have been go boats on the table that now for the Oba. If you see the the jeep them, if you see the big boys them, una go say, okay, this maybe na Dubai with it. And what thing sad, the people them, they're to line by the go, they clap for the game. Now this country I only see they celebrate to criminal, they would make with they suffer. If them people had to get money like this, they give them free money for me to go help the poor BELEH woman them. They waste time. This go down, they not build nothing in this country. Yeah. Go na blama, I go blama, the health center where they not even get arrested. The only mercy where they get out, they call them 444. Now the only
Malaria.
Yes. Now the only one where they get inside the clinic. So they then tell what they happen at Britain also. So I just imagine that for Labatin, that's what they happen at all that side. I don't know if that's Falaba or Calabar.
Yeah, Falaba.
So now the thing is, we've not stand up and put end to this. This will continue it will continue until all man die in this country now. Them politicians matter be not care about this country. The matter be not care about this country one bit. So we need to do something with people. We not go up in this project number. Make una see for ourselves. Make una say, oh, na lie. I need to call now lie about anything. This is in black and white. Now the World Bank website. We not go see for ourselves. Me people that must stand up and stop this nonsense. We need to stop this nonsense here. Una thank you.
Thank you very much, Batunga. Very important and useful information. Thank you. All right, and
you're welcome.
We as well want to tell Batunga thank you again one more time, for initiative we been come up with this being thing. Okay, so we'll go again and see what we get. But what do you think? Since we wait for more calls, Batunga account very, very big, information for me.
This Naimeka always say this family house is really blessed because the same way we can physically stretch for get information, we family members them also they help we for shots in their own way. Waiting Batunga say we will see and get everything one of the facts and bring them to people them for make we come expose them people there more and more. But too much deny not today because we know what this government is capable of doing. When it comes to money, mother bill and money, it just sounds like squirrel and granite.
All right. Okay, let's take this other call quickly. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and where you call from?
Hello, Senator. Good evening.
Good evening. Try by going by yourself.
Yeah, this is the ex-civilian they call.
Welcome to the show, ex-civilian.
Yeah, one thing why they talk about.
When we don't pass 2023, we now need to make sure say we do the right thing for the people of this country. Yes, we do what the people are asking us.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
God not in last alone. From where this man we call himself saying a president in our country. The cold blood there with this man from 1996 with this man a family don't put on another country. They look this man back in the Kangi and power. This man felt some kind of criminal act he perform he do for he can own this country. This man I'm just going to come on power when you time done. And if he don't die, may they look this man, may they do DNA test for him. This man not so Sierra Leone. This man in blood, they don't take a coupling and give Nasalo say Nasalo this man come on. But this man in roots, Sierra Leone plus you know the deal, so Saloma no bad and wicked. And Saloma no bad and wicked and witch. Like when this man wicked and witch, this man started the turn up for carbon mission for destroy Saloma. You don't say this man want destroy this country. He don't take from like he think. Like when they send policy, go on this mission, go destroy Saloma. That's why they observe. This man, all the way of doing things of that country, but a lot of people they sit down, they watch this man, but APC will put whip on this. When they know when this man come on power, they don't, it go work past what this man they do. Only penalty, the sufferness, when we didn't receive from this man, this government, when she done at that country, APC will pay for this. APC now they put whip on this, then will pay for them. Unless they left this man, they destroy that country. This man come up from nowhere. This man don't care. He don't want to. And we now waiting for begin. We don't begin to swear from their supporter them. From their supporter, they take to their way see them.
No, not go nice. Everybody, like when you say they make you point to, all man get right for take action on what you want for do. We don't need for swear person for that.
Well, Lord, they pray against them. Now, swear, we forswear them because they suffer people, the poor people. Look fast months, right? Also, look where they yesterday, how the country is going. Look how people they suffer. Everybody in Sierra Leone they suffer in that country. There's people we all see them. People are where they ask for, people are where they Africa, so I don't know. All man just see them keep quiet. Like I say, nobody in business. But one day, now one day. Time get money comes from ministers, so man will go in there where they have power. If you say people, then go come overseas, or then go travel, go outside, they don't return again.
Alright, thank you. If I do so for we, go fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Alright, the line's still open for you. We want for add the voice inside the program. This is the program we had on YouTube and on Facebook. And today we talk about the health sector and ask what is the difference between the voter and the politician. That's the big question where we ask this next inside the program. So now we go quickly. If more calls there, we can take few calls them inside the program. I will see and get this one. Welcome to the show. Caller, your name and inside the call from.
Alright, the line's still open.
Please reduce the volume of your set. Today live now.
Yes, sir, Mr. Semepe. This is Kailondo.
Kailondo, welcome, sir. Long time.
Yes, sir. The difference between the politicians and the voters. Sierra Leone politicians, then, what they care of na election. Not to leaders, then. And with voters, then, we always go, they try for vote for leaders, they try for vote for politicians. We don't only care about elections. Till we get that vision, say, we for vote for leaders, then, before ever we will succeed. We need visionary leaders. Don't know admire Senegal. Now we go for stand up, love get leaders there. Now in that no more, Mr. Semepe.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Alright, the line's still open for you. We want for add the voice inside the program. Yeah, we go quickly and see until we get again inside the program. And we'll see what we get. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from. Please reduce the volume of your set. Today live on the platform.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yes, we thank God.
The difference between the politicians and the voters. Well, first of all, I would say there is no difference in terms of making comparison. The voters not get one power, not get nothing. And majority of the voters, them, sorry for saying, like illiterate, they don't know what they do. A politician, they get small sense, we know what he for do. They take advantage of the poor voters, them. We just the follow waiting and see. And funnily, this election we pass, we all know. I'm not gonna say we all know what's happened. They bully the voter. They say, me, I did their votes. I vote before I accommodate. So we all don't see the problem we're gonna have country right now. The brother Daniel pass on out, but there and the truth is after the tripartite, me I know for sure, Madam you know the key power, the left pass the plan and pull the popular. All indicators they show say yes. The tripartite get for go against them. And not for say back the one that we get for come the better. You know better. But at least let we follow the rules of engagement. Democracy and democracy. Without we forgive. Anyway, I will tap you for yeah.
Alright, thank you very much. Alright, we go on the line again and take another call. Welcome to the show, caller. Your name and inside the call from. Nice one, beautiful one.
Allah continue for blessing one day we don't
Okay.
So that is telling you, say, the country, the one them way they be for let them handle the affairs of this country. Now only God they help, and God will not help you for let the apple, then for example, then we put and God direct you to somebody we will take care of this country. We will make sure say everything will be okay. These people they promise you roof, now we eat thing on the material, they are not even in the market or in the so that they tell you say they're ready for let people themselves more and more. More and more. The only thing we think for we Sierra Leoneans able to we need for stand up and rise. If you want to go heaven, pass it die. If you want to go hell back, pass it die. So nobody, no exception at this one here, die them make up before ever they make Montaman. So for them we free from anything you get for die. Die in the sense we get for fight for we rise and stand up. We're not just say pray and not work. God tell you say we come on a box, who fed you also. That means God tell you say that compulsory for they pray. But we don't pray. There is a time for prayer. Who fed it, you live it. So now you come into this system. If the system no work, now we put you on the law will stand up. We will say for do this, we follow up. But sometimes I don't know when Sierra Leoneans they say no we do this for we see from such a situation and it is not to be business. If we will continue to see this not to business, my brothers and sisters at this country, well, I don't know where we're heading to. And Moscow we day na the road. I want make all know say if the Moscow gets accident, you know what for know whether you na driver or apprentice or you na passenger, everybody just get for die. If the Moscow gets serious accident, you know care whether you na apprentice or driver or you na passenger, it gets involved. And when one person suffer, well will suffer all. So now that no more I want for tell Sierra Leoneans, they forget the heart for stand up for right and speak out the truth.
Okay, thank you very
much. I appreciate you now. God bless you now. And you must give now the courage for continue for those who now they do so for this country.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Right. Okay. Alright, so whilst we wait for few calls then, let me just use this time for share this thing to Una. For sure say this project they exist. They exist. The information we Batunga share with we, a project where they exist. So let me just share out now quickly. Let we all watch them together. At least we family member don't take in time. Don't tell me something. Let me all find them and see say yes, it correct. Alright, so project some for now quickly and see something, please. Hold on. Few more seconds, we'll get that done. Yes. So I'll go now and let understand quickly why I they wait for few more calls for coming inside. This is the project with Batonga Giwi. If you watch, say Sierra Leone Quality Essential Health Service and System Support Project, yeah. So this is not a summary of the project. You can get under the abstract. Yeah, we did not the screen. So this is not the procurement. Key details, document, finance, newsletter. This is not the project basically. So it is a development objective. The PDO is to increase utilization and improve quality of maternal and child health service in the selected area. So in other words, this project here now for actually make UMAN like that one way come out from Kabbalah where them put that HAMOCK, let them benefit from health facility, let them forget access to quality maternal and child health, let them forget quality service anytime we KOMBRA or where BELEH woman they go born picking, you know, and the picking himself for letting say get better life. Like where this loss in life so pada where they and not being supposed for happen so yeah. So these are the project details. If I scroll up a little bit, the project details, you say project ID, the number way Batonga giving a reflect here P172102, and then the status is active, and then the team lead na Johanna Dukan, Olga Guerrero Horas. Yeah, so Boa, you know, Republic of Sierra Leone. Yeah, Boa, Republic of Sierra Leone. Okay, the country Sierra Leone approved it. They approved this on as of board presentation December 9th, 2021. Okay, so total project cost now $60 million. $60 million. Yeah, then you get the implementing agency, then get integrated health project administration unit, we now the IHPAU partners in health. Yeah, now then the implementer project say the region. Yeah, now Western and Central Africa, and the fiscal year for 2020, and you get the comment amount $60 million. Environmental and social risk very high on that, and you know this is the project. So if we are going to Ramon, I'm able for you the better one on this particular thing we then at the screen. So right now. So we take 3 more courses if you are available. If not, we wrap up the program right at this point. And then we will come back tomorrow morning by going power to program where we call Korea. So once we not get any call again, we just want for make clear and say waiting Batonga and tell we correct and they up for you for go and read and see. And we have the time for put some other things them together as well. We require a lot of money and time. Once we're able to do that, a lot of things that they will want for big toner with regards within this government. Waiting the government not take boku money for where they not do shishin, nothing. So we come to the end of the show now. Bye bye.
Family members them as we family member don't give we this update. We don't put some for you. You know, this now it will be the talk. This government they don't know how for rule the country. Now one of the things that we expect Samuel Kamara during 2018 presidential debate, where Mother will be the talk in Labo talk them. He really talk him this he wonder and he feel regret for see somebody we don't know how for rule the country. They talk then watch them way Mother will be the talk at that time. But until then, you know, we go Kapu sense, we go left for the Kapu world. So far so good. This now we are on Facebook and YouTube. Not forget for continue for share this program for make we will get the gold medal and celebrate them again at this family house. Then catch up with you tomorrow morning inside the mixed flavor program when I could rest. Me by Breaker Bly, the man from the north with the hardest cutlass, the biggest warrior. Tata until tomorrow we meet again inside the same university. Much love.
And as Bible talk about Samuel Kamara, me go to Valentine Segabu Melvin Strasser. We say, he ask me a very big question. Now this man, now him una want for make handle on a taxpayer money. Well, if una feel say na him for handle, una vote him. If una feel say not to him for handle, well, this now how we do right now with Madabio na the seat of power and the handle with tax money them. Well, you see side there, eh? Suicide day. I will tell you now, say, Madabio really, it don't look worst. The worst pass, you know, about George Williams, where he collect, you know, tax money they account Morgan Heritage. Madabio, where they hit, they account nothing, they go to all thing. At least about the count musician, they follow go dance. About think out musician follow dance, at least no forget problems small. Madabio, where they hit, it is suppressed feedback. Well, that's how I go left for now to meet again. My name is Zembepe, the freedom. The freedom fighter. God bless the country Israel where we call we are there. And see you again in the morning. Thanks for you. We don't like and share, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like and share, comment, and subscribe, please consider for do so before ever you they go. Okay? So this morning or this night. So Tete, we meet again. Well, for talk bad, for talk and to not to bad, you know. and just at the end of the day, if person take offense, we'll just say we're sorry about that. So we'll go now. Take care.
When we don't pass 2023, we now need to make sure say we do the right thing for the people of this country. Yes, we do what the people are asking us to do. Yes. We focus. We now live on with selfishness then. Then one day we're there within the party where they feel say it only get for be them. We get to tell them, say, no, please. You enjoy your time. It's your time to move. And the young generation now your job for make sure, say, when you call big man out, not me say you disrespect her. Now that make people say Fatima not respectful. No, for tell big man true, not a bad thing. For tell big woman true, not a bad thing. You they tell the way you don't not to say assalamu alaikum, sorry, or forgive me. But you go don't hear what you say. Now we make sure, say, we do what is right for this country.